Mail Designer 365 offers a wide range of teamwork tools to help you and your team productively work together on email designs. To get started, log into Mail Designer 365, open a design idea, and click on the Teamwork tab, where you can view all of your team's members. Use the pinpoint tool to fix comments to design elements. Attach the pointer to a design element and write down your ideas and feedback in the comments box. To directly tag a team member in a comment, select their name from the drop-down mention list. Assign your team members newsletter tasks with the To-Dos feature. Click on the To-Dos tab and choose a name from the drop-down list to assign a to-do. You and your team can tick off a to-do once it has been completed. When you are ready, you can lend your design to a team member. Click on the Lend button and enter the email address of the team member you want to send to. Remember, you can only send to one person at a time. Once your colleague is finished with the design, they can return it to you. You can view the feedback they have written under the Teamwork tab, as well as any new to-dos or mentions. Now you can respond to their comments, complete any outstanding tasks, and add any final feedback to the design. When you're finished, you can lend your Mail Designer 365 document to the next team member and create the ultimate feedback loop.